We reviewed the progress of the new assembly building, which is the first phase, and we also presented the proposal for the second phase also. Second phase will include the staff quarters, MLA hostels, and the other health centers, schools, and so on.
So what were the agendas of today's meeting?
As I said, basically, number one was the review of the status, present progress of the main assembly building. Then the second item, agenda number 2, was to discuss about the second phase, which we are submitting a proposal to the Government of India through the donor ministry. Then the third agenda item was the presentation of the security systems, providing security solutions to the assembly complex.